Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the lines and angle. The first question today is ABC is a straight line where this angle is 3x minus 40 and this is 2x. Find the value of x. So we know that 2x plus 3x minus 40 is equal to 180, 5x is equal to 220, x is equal to 220 by 4, that will be 44. This is x. Suppose if say that the find angle ABD, then it will be 2x, 2 into 44, it will be 88, and angle DBC, that will be 3x minus 40, 3 into 44 minus 40, that will be 92. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a given figure, A, O, B, E, C and D. Question is angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70. AOC angle 1 plus BOE 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 70. And angle BOD 3 is 40 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 40 degree. This is all given. What we have to find? We have to find BOE and reflex angle COE. BOE. Solution: angle BOE is equal to BOE So we will write angle 5 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to how much? 180. Linear pair. We know that angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to how much? 70. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, vertically opposite. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 40. So now we'll substitute the value. 140 plus 2 is equal to 70. So angle 2 is equal to 30. That is angle BOE. Now the another question is, we have to find now reflex COE. So we have to find angle 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. 2 plus 3 was 1 plus 1. Sorry. So angle 5 plus 70 is equal to 180. Angle 5 is equal to 110. We have to find the reflex of angle 5. That will be 360 minus 110 will be 250. Right? Second is, in a given figure again, x y 90 m n. This is A, this is B. It's given that A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3, and we have to find angle C. Solution: angle A plus B plus 90 is equal to 180, angle on straight line. So A plus B is also equal to 90. A ratio B is 2 ratio 3, therefore 2x plus 3x is equal to 90, 5x is equal to 90, x is equal to 80. Angle B is equal to 3x. So it will be 8 into 18 into 3, 54. Angle B plus C is equal to 180. Linear pair. So B is 54 plus C is equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 54, 126. Next question is 3. In a triangle A, B, C, D and E, given that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We'll write angle 3 and angle 4. Proof: angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, that means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That's given. Angle 1 plus 3 is equal to 180, and angle 2 plus 4 is also equal to 180 because of they are linear pair. Both are 180, that means 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4. That means, and angle 3 is equal to 4. They are equal. So therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Hence y, x, z. Prove that a line AOB is a straight line. Now you are not supposed to see what you see here, meaning by जो दिख रहा है उसके हिसाब से नहीं, you have to go by the actual information. If you have to prove that angle A or B is equal to AOB is a straight line, that means you have to prove that x plus y is equal to 180, right? And given to us is x plus y is equal to z plus w. In proof we will write y plus x plus z plus w is equal to 360. Why 360? Complete angle. So now we know that x plus y is equal to z plus w. So in place of z plus w we can write x plus y is equal to 360, 2x plus 2y is equal to 360, 2x plus y is equal to 360, or x plus y is equal to 180. We have proved that sum of x plus y is 180. Therefore AOB is a straight line. You have to prove everything by facts and figures, not otherwise. This is the most important sum of the paper. 99% you will get in your exam. This is P, this is Q, this is O, this is R, and this is S. Question is that POQ is a straight line, RO is perpendicular on PQ. This is means this is 90. Prove that ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. Let's number it. ROS meaning by this angle. Angle 2 is equal to half of angle QOS. This complete angle 3 minus angle 1, or we can say 2 times angle 2 is equal to angle 3 minus angle 1. This we have to prove. Now we will go by the information. By the information it is written that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle this we can write 5 is equal to 180. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 90 is equal to 180. Therefore angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 90, and angle 5 is also equal to 90. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 5, right? Both are 90, hence they are 90. So one simple line is here, adding angle to both sides. If we add or subtract same thing to the left and right hand side, the value is not changed. Angle 1 plus 2 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 5 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus this will be 2 times angle 2. Keep on looking what you have to prove. Is equal to angle 5 plus angle 2 minus angle 1. Angle 1 is also with you. So 5 plus 2, this is 5 and this is 2. So angle 2 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 3 minus angle 1, hence proved. Or further if you want to write, you can write angle 2 is equal to half of angle 3 minus angle 1. So you have to do the sum very carefully. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you.